Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will cook a very traditional Bengali recipe called Potol Narkel Posto or pointed gourd with coconut and poppy seeds paste. It's a traditional Bengali recipe. It's a side dish which is served in the main course along with rice. It can be part of the day-to-day meal as well as festive and special occasion meal. If onion is skipped, then it can be offered to God as well. If you like this recipe, then please click like, subscribe and bell icons below and leave a comment. The ingredients we need are pointed gourd or potol 17 sliced into long halves, skin is scraped off. Potato or aloo 1 medium sliced into long slices, skin is peeled off. Poppy seeds paste half cup. Paste it in mixture and grinder by adding water little at a time. Poppy seed was soaked in water for 4 to 5 hours, then pasted. Grated onion 1/4 cup. Grinded ginger 1 to 1½ tablespoon. Grinded in mortar and pestle or hamandista. Green chilies 4 to 7 slit in the middle. Turmeric powder or holud 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chili powder or Kashmiri lonka guro 1 teaspoon. Regular red chili powder ½ teaspoon. Salt to taste, noon স্বাদ অনুসার. Mustard oil, সরষের তেল 3 tablespoon used for traditional flavor and aroma. Sunflower oil or সূর্যমুখী তেল 8 tablespoon. 5 ফোড়ন 1 teaspoon. Nigella seeds or কালো জিরে ½ teaspoon. Fennel seeds or mori ½ teaspoon. Bay leaf or tejpata 1. Dry red chili or শুকনো লঙ্কা 1. Grated coconut or narkel korano ½ cup. Frozen, defrosted in microwave. Traditionally, fresh grated coconut is used. To make Potol Narkel Posto, we first have to fry the vegetables. For that, heat about 5 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pan. Add the sliced pointed gourd 17, sliced potato 1, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon and about ½ teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Fry till brown in medium to high heat. Cover the pan with a lid for faster cooking. From time to time, open the lid and stir. Take off the pan and keep aside. To prepare the masala, heat about 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and about 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil in a pan. Mix well and bring it to fumes. Add bay leaf 1 and red chili 1. Saute for 30 seconds in low heat. Add 5 foron 1 teaspoon, Nigella seeds ½ teaspoon and fennel seeds ½ teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Crushed cumin and crushed coriander seeds about 2 teaspoons each can also be added here, but it is optional. Add grated onion 1/4 cup and grinded ginger 1 to 1½ tablespoon. Mix well. Saute in low to medium heat for 5 to 6 minutes. If onion is not used, then add 2 tablespoons of ginger. Add turmeric powder about ½ teaspoon and Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Saute in low heat for 30 seconds. Add grated coconut ½ cup and poppy seeds paste ½ cup. Mix well. To cook the pointed gourd, add the fried pointed gourd and potato. Water about 1½ cups. Water used here is a mixture of water and the poppy seeds paste left in the mixture and grinder, and salt 1/4 teaspoon. Added water about a ½ cup more as I think I need more water. and green chilies about 4. Mix well, cover with a lid and cook in medium to high heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and stir for 1 minute. Cut a pointed gourd and potato with a spoon to check if it is cooked. In our case, it does, but the pointed gourd needs more cooking. Taste it, add whatever is required. I've added green chilies 3 slit in the middle, salt half teaspoon and water about half cup. Mix well. Cook with the lid on in medium to high heat for 5 to 8 minutes more. Note, the cooking time depends upon the size and age of the vegetables. If the veggies are cooked, then there is no need to add water and cook further. After 5 to 8 minutes, open the lid, stir for 1 minute. Cut a pointed gourd again with a spoon. It cuts easily. It means it's cooked. Taste it. It tastes gorgeous. Traditionally, mustard oil about 2 teaspoons is added to the curry and mixed well before serving. This is optional. Serve hot with hot rice. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.